Hey guys, I'm about to go to school and stuff, and I just wanted to tell y'all some great news. Some people think I'm a jerk. I'm stupid, and I'm just out there. I'm not. I care about animals' lives. Because y'all probably heard, I'm not sure if I told the story about Toby though, but I saved Toby's life. He was drowning in the pool and stuff. I dived in with my graduation outfit, took off my high heel boots, and ran and jumped in. But yesterday, I was about to eat dinner, and this little birdie was drowning in the water. So I went to go help it, and now look at it. Here's the video. Hold up, that's not the video, that's the slideshow. Never mind. Hold up. Okay, here. I'm saving this little birdie.
Hi, birdie. Are you okay in the water? Can you speak? Can you try how to fly? I just want to... Oh, you're a good baby. Cluck. Cluck. Come on, be a baby. You're so cute. Someday I'll be living in the big house. All you're ever gonna be is me. Why you gotta be so mean?
He didn't fall.
Want the food? You're my big bad bird.
But that's a little birdie. I saved its life. And the thing is, if he doesn't get help today, by I get home around 2:30, he's mine. And I know it's a girl because, like, right here is all red and stuff, and it has scrape marks, and it led down there, and it was a girl. So, yeah. I'm trying to think of a name. Comment if you know a good name I should write. Or start for it. Well, thanks, guys. Love ya. Bye! Woo! Bye, birdie!